Right where I left you. Not where I left you.
You're the one they're hunting. Pirate.
You seem somewhat familiar. Have I threatened you before?
I make a point of avoiding familiarity with pirates.
Well, then it would be a shame to put a black mark on your record. So if you excuse me. You think this wise, boy? Crossing blades with a pirate.
You threaten Miss Swan.
Only a little. You know what you're doing, I'll give you that. Excellent form. But how's your footwork? If I step here, very good. And now I step again. Ta. That is a wonderful trick.